Welcome back to Don's Cookbook. Tonight's dinner is simple. Roasted vegetables and crumbed veal. Nothing fancy, just a proper weeknight dinner. Start off by peeling yourself 6 white potatoes, as well as 4 carrots. After a long day, we don't want complicated food. We want something warm, familiar, and satisfying. Potatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, that sort of thing. That's really all you need. Okay, peel 2 sweet potatoes as well. After that, we're going to cut up all our vegetables. Most people will tell you at this stage to cut everything the exact same size as it will help it to cook more evenly. However, I like to have a bunch of different sizes. This way, after it roasts, we get a lot of different textures. Some more crispy, some more sticky and sweet. That's how I prefer it. So as you can see here, these 2 potatoes have been cut in a completely different size, and that's going to be really nice once they're cooked later on. The carrots, roughly chop them up into pieces. And exactly the same for the sweet potatoes. Chop them up, cut up some a bit smaller if you like, and that will give you that nice texture balance. Once everything is cut up, everything goes straight into a cold roasting tray. A fresh sprig of rosemary, get rid of the stalk, and then just tear the leaves up and sprinkle them all around the vegetables. The beauty of a dish like this is once these go into the oven, the rest takes care of itself. Add some freshly ground black pepper and some sea salt straight over the top. Finish with a light drizzle of olive oil all around so we can get everything nice and evenly coated. Straight in with clean hands and toss everything together. We are going to cook this in the oven for about an hour and a half at 200 degrees Celsius, which is about 400 Fahrenheit. Now, onto our veal. Crumbed veal is one of those things that feels special, but it's actually very simple to make. Good breadcrumbs, a bit of care, and letting the pan do the work. Get it into some plain flour, evenly coated, and then dust off any excess. For our breadcrumbs, add in some paprika, not smoked, just plain paprika, a generous amount of sea salt, and again, freshly ground black pepper. I also like to add some Parmesan cheese, which will give a really nice golden crust and a beautiful flavour as well. Toss that all up together with your hands to make sure everything's nice and even. With our floured veal, straight into some beaten eggs, both sides, and then let any excess egg run straight off. Into our beautiful breadcrumb mixture and give that a nice even coating so every piece of veal is covered in breadcrumbs. Pat off the excess breadcrumbs and that's ready to go in a nice hot pan. Add in a generous amount of olive oil and then straight in with our veal cutlets. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side for a beautiful golden crunch-like texture. For weeknights, I like meals that don't ask for much attention, just a steady heat and a little patience. Out of the pan, vegetables come out of the oven and it's time to plate everything up. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.